What's up, guys? It's the Race123. Today I'm making sort of a different video. Basically, it's an airsoft grenade. I'm not going to be adding any BBs into it, but if you want to, that's basically what makes it an airsoft grenade. So the things that you need is some vinegar, some kind of bottle, water bottle. You need baking soda, a plastic bag, and a pair of scissors. The first thing you want to do is you take your water bottle, you take your vinegar, and you want to pour a little bit in there. I'll show you how much. The more the better. So I did about this much. It's up to about here. So that's all done. And then the second thing you want to do is you want to take your plastic bag and your scissors, and you want to cut it right where the Ziploc part is. Just it's kind of hard to cut. Sorry about this. Here, I'm gonna go grab a knife. Okay, I got an X-Acto knife, maybe that'll work better. Yeah, much better. Okay, so once you have the bag, you want to take or you can use a spoon, or you can just pour it in. Just gonna pour it in here. You don't want too much, but just to fill the bottom, like that. And then once you're done, you want to roll it up. Alright, and now I'm going to take this outside, and I'm going to assemble it and throw it outside. Hey guys, I'm back. So what I discovered was the other water bottle, the plastic was way too thick on it. So I got myself a normal water bottle, emptied that out, put some vinegar in it, and I tried again. So make sure you don't make the same mistake I made. Also, real quick, I just want to say sorry that I have not made a video for probably a month. I was at camp, sleepaway camp, so I apologize, and I'm getting this video in for you guys. Maybe I'll get another video in today. So I'm just gonna take this, roll it up, and put it into there. Just set down the camera for a second so I can do that. Okay, make sure you get the cap on as well as you can. And now, I don't know if you can see or not, but all the baking powder is still in the wrapper. So when I shake it up, it all comes out. And it starts to feels like it's going to pop. Now I'm going to throw it right down there. Well, cap was not on very well, so I'm going to put this down and screw it on back. Alright, well, sorry about that. That I didn't screw the cap on well enough, but basically, even though it didn't work that time, all you gotta do is make sure that you screw it on well and do everything right, and like what I did, and it should work. It should blow up. It'll be really loud. If you put some BBs, they'll fly everywhere. I've used that a few times with my friends for pranks. But thanks for watching. Bye.